Welcome to my channel Decor by Amna. First of all, thank you so much for watching my videos. I am sure you are fine and happy. I am here with a new video, and the video is about living room wall decor ideas. Yes, in this video you can see a collection of different types of living room wall decor ideas or different types of wall art for your living room. So, bring your space to life from these living room wall decor ideas like large scale paintings, organize a gallery wall, decoration with small objects, include iridescent mirrors, decoration with artificial plants or original plants, incorporate bookcases or racks, statement paintings, alternative frameworks or framed drawings, hang interesting prints, organize large objects, hang statement mirrors, position illuminated artwork, try out an accent wall, organize floating shelves, add some greenery, highlight architecture, add lighting, install floor to ceiling windows, put some colorful stuff, dangle greenery, utilize pattern, some geometric artwork, paint built-ins, try tapestry, hang Polaroids, many other beautiful and unique sceneries, paintings and drawings. Also, you can choose mirrors for your own choice, wallpaper and accent wall. Also, you can display an antiques collection and many more. I hope you like this video. Then please thumbs up and appreciate me. Thank you so much for watching.